Good evening, Friendship Elementary. I would like to welcome you to our 2011-2012 open house. I'm Mrs. Martoral and I'm the principal at Friendship. We are glad that you are here. Tonight, you will be visiting classrooms and learning all about children's learning at Friendship Elementary. Please make sure that you become a vital part in our school. We need your help. So any way that you can support us here at Friendship is welcome. Please remember, Friendship Elementary is a Title I school. That means that based on our free and reduced lunch, we get extra assistance. We get tutoring. We also get academic coaches that assist our teachers, and we also get an intervention teacher that assists students. We are so happy you're here, and we have a wonderful film set up to show you exactly what happens at Friendship on a daily basis. Have a wonderful evening. Thank you and good night.